In this video, we had to change out a split system, so we already had all the equipment moved. We set a new pad. We sleeved the wall because it didn't have a sleeve where that hole was. This is the new air handler. We bent the copper pipe using the Yellow Jacket ratcheting bender. I had my nitrogen hooked up so we could purge while we got ready to braze. You can see going back in there. Got the lines wrapped up with a rag there around those valves. Got the Schrader valves pulled out. You can see we brazed it all out. This is the air handler. All finished up. Got the trap in and the Trane pan switch. And then this is the outdoor unit. Then we use that speedy channel there to cover up that line set. Makes it look a little bit better. So what do you think of the install?